Y'all. We got Rodney C, Triple OG in the building. Plus we got Lookout Racing. Look out, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button, share, subscribe, tell somebody something. Go on here to tag your favorite Facebook group. It's going down. Uh-oh, he know how to whistle. Sam 202.
What's up, brother?
Look out, we got the Stone Vet in the building, y'all. Uh-oh. He got that juice on here, y'all. Let me see what he finna do. Usually he dry hopping. Y'all wanna see a dry hop? I don't know what that is. That's when they, yeah, do that and drive. Look out. Hey. It's going down. Yeah. Now I got the caprice back there, man. Yeah, it's doing something.
Already.
Look out. Already. It's on Lookout Racing. Good save. Let me see something. Look out, Keith. Oh yeah, dude, he just got it lit. It's freaking lit, bro. Okay, we got this cam and this truck. Okay. Like that rev limiter. Shout out Limpy one time for the one time, y'all. Nothing to prove. Yeah, baby, there's something to prove. And I want to see Lookout on TV. Make sure y'all hitting that like button. Ooh, it look like that other truck. Dang. Right line. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, you was listening to that same song? They don't want to see like I on TV and listen to the news. I got something to prove. I got something to prove. Baby, I paid my dues. No. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking. Right there. It's leaking. Right there. Right there. On the accelerator pump, I think that is. Right here. Okay. Yes.
It's been sitting.
Oh, okay. Damn. I done came over here and caught a leak.
Cortez
I
always
did.
the carbon fiber front end Civic, the little fast one that everybody like.
And you won.
Come on.
Okay. And boy, he stepped it. He done peeled it up, y'all. Appreciate it, man. We got shout out to AK Electric, y'all. Y'all need some residential or commercial electric done. Y'all let me know. AK Electric can be the one for you. Put in the code, look out, and get a little discount. Yeah. Shout out to my boy Mac Daddy. Yes, sir, that's right. Mac Daddy Pro Line Hand Cleaner, guys. Yeah, don't want to use that Joe juice anymore? Go ahead and get the official Mac Daddy Pro Line Hand Cleaner. Let me see. What else we got? Shout out to my boy Forever Grudge. Look out. Hey. Que onda, primo? Look out. Hey, boom. We in the building. Also, guys, shout out to Limpy, king of the street races, guys. Oh, yeah, that guy's there, badass. Look out. You finna make a full pass?
Yes, sir. I already made one.
Oh, you finna make another one, though. I need to get you on the camera. He finna make a full pass. Oh, shit. Damn, I might need to move my car, y'all. Hold on. I ain't say. Oh, there you go, right there. I was about to say, I ain't seen running. There you go, y'all. Go running. Hey, Ronnie. Ronnie, how you doing? We got Ronnie in the building. Move your car. Not gonna fucking tell you again, dude. Every time you come to the track, just leave your car in the freaking staging lanes and hold up the freaking line. Not gonna tell you again, man. Move your car. Hey. Move your car, buddy. I've been sitting here watching stage lanes for like an hour now. And yeah, look at running. Let's holler at running, y'all. Look out, running. I got everybody on here. They talking about you. What's up with it? They talking about you. You all right today? You having a good day? Tell them something good, man. Okay, roadie race coming up. Yeah. Wait a minute.
That's gonna be really good.
Stefan and Limpy. Hey, what? Rock with the Bay. Yeah, he pay. Okay. We got Running in the building, y'all. OG Running. You OG?
I'll be 65 in a few months.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, he gonna be OG, y'all. He gonna be 65 in a few months, so he OG. Okay, you say what else going on?
Tomorrow night, Bill is running the track.
Yeah.
Out Yello Belly. But
Bill?
Yeah, there's a big race at the Motorplex. That's gonna hurt it. But we're gonna start running every Friday night.
Oh yeah?
And it's Bill.
Okay.
Bill Kaczynski runs it, not Yello Belly.
What?
Yeah, he's sitting in bed, let him have it. So he's promoting it, he's running it.
Okay. So dang, he gonna be making his own rules?
Not really. I mean.
Okay. You still gonna be in charge though?
No, I'm under him.
Oh, you under him? Okay.
But we think alike.
Okay. Well, I know what that means. Y'all know what that means, right? Y'all know what that means. I know what it means. All my people, they know what it means too. Look out. What's up with it, man?